Alright, you guys, we are gonna pack the car. We got, of course, way more than we should have. We got water, bread. We'll show you all the stuff that we got. It's crazy. We're on the verge of maybe possibly trying something new with the water situation because Steven's getting tired of lifting water, and I don't blame him. We're thinking about there was a guy in there today talking about...
Are we on this one or are we down?
The next one.
Are you
Pretty sure?
No, we thought we walked past the key thing.
Oh, maybe. Let's see. Oh, this person's pulling out.
I thought you was supposed to. Oh, you know what? You're right. It is the next one because we swung in. Yeah, we're over there. Actually.
So they have a thing. They had a guy in there, representative for Crystal Water. So if you're in the market for something like that, I think we're gonna do it. There we go. So yeah, we'll show you what we got. This is all we got. Lots of stuff. Sorry,
The only thing is, like, where can we put that thing? I mean, all you can do is put it in the corner or something.
Yeah.
Somewhere. There's no bags in here. There's nothing in here.
There's no bag, so
Put
the cold stuff in the front with you like we did last time. Right? So we got Mom's water, we got our water, so we got a lot of water today, which is the reason why we're thinking of switching over to like another water cooler situation. We used to do that in New York.
But we didn't have it delivered. This is going to be a delivery
Yeah, we didn't have it delivered, but we're thinking of getting the delivery service because, let's face it, we're not as young as we used to be. And the pricing was actually really good. So I was going to just say, let's just do it. But Steven was like, no, let's wait and talk to Dad. So some of the things we got today, lady products, deodorant. Like, I just decided I'm going old school with deodorant because the spray is so expensive. We did wait for a chicken today that just came out. So we're probably just going to have that for our dinner. I can't really put anything else in here because Steven's going to put the water. I'll put the boxes and stuff back here. Sorry, hold on, guys. Ooh. Ow, that's burning hot. We got Hawaiian rolls, a watermelon. Yes, and I did get this. And I got my egg bites. So we spent almost $200. So, you know, that's kind of what I figured was going to happen. But my dad had texted us because I had a doctor's appointment today. And he was like, can you get water? And we were like, sure. So this is all, look at all this water. Now, technically it is hurricane season, so you should be stocking up with a lot of water for hurricane season. But if we decide to do this delivery service, I mean, the guy said he was going to be here till Sunday, but so I would have to come up and do it on Saturday if I really wanted to. I could. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. My poor husband. And this is why we're seriously thinking of doing it, because lifting the water, we're not as young as we used to be.
You don't even have to do anything. Just have to buy bottles and just refill your bottles.
Yeah, and that's it. Is that gonna? All right. So again, Rachel's egg bites, granola bars, RX bars, Hawaiian rolls. That's our haul. So, all right. See you guys next time.